Hello dear friends, today's discussion is double integral. Show that omega is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to 1 log 1 minus x square y square xy root over 1 minus x square 1 minus y square dx dy equal to 7 by 2 zeta 3 minus 2 pi. So proof minus 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1 log 1 minus x square y square dx dy can be written as x equals to sin y equal to sin t, and Jacobian cos t equal to cos u. So we get the value this is minus 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log sin square u sin square t sin u sin t, because cos t and cos x cos u in denominator, and numerator Jacobian is cos t cos u, so it is cut. So I get only this value. Now ft is equal to log of 1 minus sin square u divided by sin square t divided by sin u t u. So f dash t is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin t cos t sin u du 1 minus sin square u sin square t, because just using differentiations. Okay, it's very simple. And sin square u 2 sin t cos t and sin square u will become sin u, and minus will be plus. So we know sin t is equal to tan t by 2 1 plus tan square t by 2. So I just break this, because 1 minus sin square u sin square t is equal to 1 minus sin u sin t, and partial fraction. Using partial fraction I get these two values. Okay, very simple. Just did it partial fractions, and I use this formula in here. Okay, sorry, in here it is sin t formula. Okay, sin t or sin u is equal to this. Okay, so I hope you can understand. And this sin t, sorry, is sin t, because not sin u, sin t and sin u is equal to 2 tan u by 2 1 plus tan square u by 2. I just use this formula. I hope you can understand my small error, because I wrote it should be t. Okay, so I hope you can understand. And now it is correctly, I write it correctly, that z equals to, this is a z as I took tan u by 2 equal to z, and sec square u by 2 du equal to 2 dz, because friends, because tan u by 2 sec square u by 2 equal to 1 plus tan square u by 2. So I hope it is very clear for everyone. And I write down this, because 1 is equal to sin square t plus cos square t. In both sides I have written, and I get cos t equal to z minus sin t whole square cos square t. And now I use the formula. Which formula, friends? I use formula x square by a square dx divided by x square plus a square integration equal to tan inverse x by a, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This formula I use, I get this value. And 2 tan inverse 1 minus sin t divided by cos t, 2 tan inverse minus sin t cos t, 1 plus sin t 1 minus. And this value I just 1 plus sin t equal to 1 minus sin t equal to this, 1 plus sin t equal to this value, because I just used basic formula. Which formula? 1 plus sin t is equal to we know that is and that is 1 plus sin t is equal to sin t by 2 plus cos t by 2 whole square, or cos t is equal to cos square t by 2 into sin square t by 2 whole square, cos square t by 2 minus sin square t by 2 whole square. So it should be cos t by 2 plus sin t by 2, cos t by 2 minus sin t by 2, and cos t by 2 plus sin t by 2, and cos t by 2 minus sin t by 2 divided by cos square t by 2. So you get 1 plus divided by cos t by 2, 1 plus tan t by 2 divided by 1 minus tan t by 2, which can be written as tan pi by 4 4 minus t by 2, and tan pi by 4 minus t by 2, pi by 4 plus t by 2 can be written as this way, cot pi by 4 minus t by 2. Okay, and this formula 1 minus sin t and cos t, same way it can be written as 1 minus tan t by 2, 1 minus tan t by 2 divided by 1 plus tan t by 2, and 1 minus tan t by 2 and 1 plus tan t by 2 is equal to, can be written as tan pi by 4 minus t. So I hope it is clear. And I am putting this value cot pi by 4 minus 2 is converted into 10 and tan cut, and we get that f dash t is equal to 2t. Okay, simple calculations, please do it. Okay, after that I get ft is equal to t square plus c, and where c equals to 0 as f equals to 0. So 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log sine square u sine square t is equal to, can be written as 0 to pi by 2 t square by sine t, where is minus. Okay, and 0 to pi by 2 t square sine t can be written sine t is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and just dividing cos t by 2 both numerator and denominator, I got that 2 tan by 10 t by 2, because sine 10 by 2 t by 2 cos t by 2 is equal to tan t by 2, and cos t by 2 or multiply, so it is cos square t by 2 is sec square t by 2. So I get this value, and I get this value tan inverse square theta whole square divided by d theta. How, friends? Because I took tan t by 2 is equal to theta. Okay, tan t by 2 is equal to theta, so just substituting I get tan inverse theta divided by whole square, and this value I get. Okay, no problem. And IVP, using integration by parts, I get 4 log theta into tan inverse theta square. This is this value I get, because because friends, tan inverse square theta whole square, when I want to differentiate, then I get 2 tan inverse theta by theta and divide by 1 plus theta square. That is, this is the derivatives. Very easy, very simple. And minus omega is equal to minus 8 into 0 to pi by 4x log tan x, when, because tan theta by 2 I took putting tan theta by 2 is equal to x. Okay, simplify facts, friends, and write it x logs 2 sin x. Okay, 1 minute. Whatever I get log theta tan inverse theta divided by 1 plus theta square. I am just taking theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, theta is equal to tan theta, so 1 will become pi by 4, and log theta is equal to log tan x, and tan inverse theta is equal to x, and tan theta derivative is equal to dx divided d theta divided by 1 plus theta square. And I write minus 802 pi by 4x into log 2 sin x into log 2 cos x, because tan x is equal to sin x by cos x, and multiply and 2 and 2 in both sides, in here 2 and in here 2, so I can write it in this way. Again, friends, I just write cos x is equal to pi by 2 minus x dx, and pi by 2 minus x, take pi by 2 minus x is equal to x, then limit will be changed, and I get pi by 4 minus pi by 2 minus x, because x is equal to pi by 2 minus x, converted it, and I get this value. And pi by 4 and pi by 2 can be reduced, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 4 minus, then I can write this integration, because this is the property of definite integral calculus. And log sine 2x is equal to n equals to 1 to cos 2nx divided by n. Okay, and sorry, it is minus, not it is plus. Okay, Fourier series is log 2 sin x is equal to minus log 2 sin x is equal to n equals to 0 to cos 2nx divided by n. Okay, there is plus, not minus. Okay, everything is plus in here, only in this is minus, this is plus, this is plus. Okay, this is plus, mind it. And minus 4 pi 0 to pi by 4 is equal to 2 pi g, and I get 2 pi g, and this integral calculus can be written as n equals to 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n minus 1 divided by n, and this is plus, friends, because x cos 2nx integral by parts, and cos 2nx is equal to sin 2nx. Simple. I get this value, and minus 1 to the power n divided by minus 1. Minus 1 to the power n divided by minus 1 divided by n cube can be written as 1 by 2n minus 1 whole cube. Okay, and 1 minus 2n minus whole cube is equal to 7 by 8 zeta 3. Okay, so cut and 7 by 2 zeta 3. So I get omega is equal to 7 by 2 zeta 3 minus 2 pi. Right. So I proved this formula. Thanks for watching. I hope it is clear for everyone.